Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. This video has to do with some things that are happening on this side of the camera I want to share with you, as well as ask for your feedback with some stuff that I need some help with. First off, I want to share with you that I was fortunate enough to win the Car Arms video contest. It was recently revealed that Michael Bain from the Outdoors channel chose my video. And I am extremely humbled by this. It lasted 4 months, and during those 4 months I was thinking, boy, I hope I have a chance. I hope I have a chance. There were people who had videos with far more views than my video had, but I was lucky enough to be chosen. So now I have the opportunity to get many guns from Car Arms, Magnum Research, and Auto Ordnance. So if there's anything there that you think is super cool, which I know there is, you just kind of have to study the site, let me know. I'll definitely take it into consideration for review. The second thing is I'm gearing up for SHOT Show. I want your suggestions as to what you want to see. You know, last year I had a list of suggestions that the viewers gave me, and it gave me, or it offered me excellent ideas of where I can go check out. Now when you go to SHOT Show, it's overwhelming. There's just so much going on, and you end up walking around, you end up getting lost, and you just sometimes find yourself aimlessly unprepared. And I had a list, and then I was able to get the booth numbers and make a plan. So if there's something you want to see, let me know. I'll do my best to get to that booth and do reviews and talk to people and so forth. I also got a new camera. This is a Canon Rebel T5i. It does have a shotgun mic here. I took this for my range review with the Ruger Security 9. It worked really well. This camera here works great indoors, but what I found is that the shooting had a 1 or 2 second delay. So I would fire, and then, and it kind of ruined the shooting, because the timing was off. It never was like that, and all of a sudden it started happening. I checked the settings, everything was the same. So I got this new camera. I'll be using this for range reviews indoors, not so much. You know, I have to tell you, I'm not technology awesome, and so I have to adjust some settings and whatever. It takes me a little bit longer with those types of things. Another thing I want to share with you is that I am applying for an Arizona CCW. They sent me this packet, get your fingerprints, fill out a form, send a check, and hopefully I'll get an Arizona CCW. And you're thinking, why do you need that? You know, you live in Michigan. Well, it was recently revealed to me anyways that in Michigan, if you have an out-of-state CPL, it exempts you from pistol registration. And I found that out, and I was all over it, because every time I get a handgun, I have to go to my local police department and turn in the paperwork. With this, I shouldn't have to do that anymore. Next thing, I got a bunch of new shirts here. 1776 United. They started sponsoring me like 4 years ago, and I love their shirts. It looks great on video. So often people say, hey, where'd you get that shirt? And I tell them 1776 United, and if you type in TheFireArmGuy and the discount code, you get 15% off your entire order. It's been like that for a long time. The deal was the viewers have to get a discount if this whole thing was to work out, and they agreed, and it's been a great partnership ever since. I also want to show you this. This is a $15 piece from Kimber called a loading dock, or a station, loading station or whatever, but it holds rounds in place. This is a cool thing if you're an outdoor shooter and you know, you unload your gun and rounds go flying off the table and you go rummaging through the dirt or the snow. It keeps it all together. Now it was made for the K6S, all right, but you can use it with 357 and lower, like 9mm works, but anything bigger, 40 and 45 won't. But it's just a nice thing to keep organized at the range. I think that's pretty cool. The last thing I want to talk about is a channel logo. I have been trying to get a channel logo. Remember earlier I said I'm not technology awesome? Well, this is where it comes in. I'm trying to get to brand myself, like have a picture or something that's a brand. You know, you think of McDonald's, it's the Golden Arches. And a lot of people have really cool brand pictures of their channels. I've never done that. On the thumbnail, I would type in TheFireArmGuy, and people would be able to see what that, you know, there was my video, and if they wanted to watch it, they would see from the thumbnail. I want a brand logo. So if you are a graphic designer and you can do stuff like this and you have time on your hands, feel free to come up with something and send it my way. Email me at TheFireArmGuy@gmail.com and I'll definitely check it out. I look forward to it. That's the kind of thing that you post everywhere you go, you know, and people do so much. They have shirts, hats, coffee mugs, everything else. I don't know if I'm going to go that far, but I have had some requests, I will say that. But I really want to have a brand, something I can post on the thumbnails that it represents this channel well. So let me see. I think that's everything, guys. Having a great time. Once again, I look forward to your feedback for SHOT Show, channel logo, firearms reviewed. And I tell you what, I've got some exciting stuff coming up. I cannot wait to share it with you. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.